Parsley can be found anywhere. You probably have it right now at home and can't find much use to this wonderful vegetable. It's one of those incredibly economic vegetables that can be used for a variety of things in medicine, like fighting skin cancer, fighting diabetes, promoting bone health, boosting the immune system, and much more. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal 10 important health benefits of parsley and how you can use it to benefit from it 100%. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel is a conventional doctor I treat my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing or press that bell down below to receive notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need to line an appointment or quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com. And I encourage you to stay till the end of this video, where I'm going to reveal extra tips and video links related to this topic. Many of the vegetables you have at home are dirt cheap and have a variety of uses, including their use in natural remedies for a variety of health conditions. And parsley is one of them. Parsley has been used for thousands of years as a source of vitamins and minerals. Its seeds, for example, has been used traditionally to decrease flatulence and colic pain in people. In Chinese medicine, the root has been used as a diuretic, and its juice to treat kidney ailments. Parsley leaves have been used to treat tumors, insect bites, skin parasites, and even concussions. Other reported traditional uses include treatment for diseases of the prostate, liver, spleen, and the list goes on and on. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal 10 important health benefits of parsley and how you can use it to benefit from it 100%. Number 1, prevents water retention. Parsley is one of those herbs that has been said to be good for kidney function, but the problem is that no one has been able to confirm this till recently. In 2002, the Journal of Ethnopharmacology published a study confirming that parsley was indeed a diuretic, which could be safely used as claimed for years in folk medicine literature. In the experiments, rats were given parsley seed tea to drink over a 24-hour period, and these rats marked an increase in urinary volume, which scientists believe that now parsley works as a diuretic due to the mechanism in the plant that blocks the reabsorption of sodium and potassium. This causes water to flow out of the kidneys more easily, promoting a greater urinary volume, obviously. If you want to use parsley for water retention, I suggest you juice on it together with some mint tea. You'll see how you're going to start losing water in no time. Both of these perform as diuretics. Number 2, promotes bone health. Parsley is an excellent source of vitamin K, and vitamin K has the power of altering the bone structure by making it stronger. Maybe you haven't heard much about vitamin K. There's a lot to talk about vitamin C use for colds, vitamin E for the skin, but not much is heard about vitamin K. Vitamin K is an extremely important vitamin with the important role of blood coagulation. Picture this, without sufficient vitamin K in the blood, you can probably bleed to death. It's that important. This vitamin has the ability of altering the bone matrix and plays a crucial role in calcium absorption and obviously managing that urinary excretion of calcium out of the body. Vitamin K is also an essential fat-soluble vitamin that plays an important role in bone and heart health. It's one of those main vitamins involved in bone mineralization, but also plays an important role in brain function and heart metabolism, as well as cellular health. One single cup of parsley leaves contains more than your daily recommended value of vitamin K, which makes this plant an excellent source that prevents vitamin K deficiency. So remember, vitamin K, parsley. Number 3, parsley has anti-cancer properties. Parsley is one of those vegetables especially helpful in fighting off cancer. This plant contains a powerful flavonoid called myristoyl, and myristoyl is also found in cranberries, black currants, and sweet potatoes. The higher the concentration of myristoyl in a plant, the more aggressive it can be against cancer. Another important aspect of parsley that's very useful in fighting off cancer is how the bright green color of this plant shows that it's high and rich, very rich in chlorophyll. Chlorophyll has proven to be effective as a defense substance against carcinogenic agents. One of these carcinogenic agents is commonly found in charred meat, especially when you cook meat at high temperatures. Chlorophyll helps neutralize this substance, protecting you against cancer. So if you like barbecue, make sure you pair it up with some green vegetables like parsley to reduce that effect and that risk. And the third powerful compound found in parsley is apigenin. Researchers from the University of Missouri conducted a successful study where they used this natural substance to reduce or decrease the size of tumors in breast cancer. They discovered that parsley does indeed help protect against breast cancer and help protect those breast cancer patients from the expansion of cancer. What more can you ask for? Parsley is that good. Number 4, detoxifies the body. Juicing on green vegetables is one of the best ways you can use to detoxify your organism. These vegetables are loaded with magnesium, potassium, and important organic compounds that help the liver increase enzyme and the enzyme functions and productivity of this organ. Two of the most important flavonoids in charge of helping the body detoxify are apigenin and myristicin. I think that's how you pronounce these. Both these antioxidants are abundantly found in parsley and can boost that productivity of the liver enzymes responsible for detoxifying your body. Apart from functioning as a detoxifying herb, let's not forget that parsley is also a diuretic. You can prepare yourself some green tea and add some parsley to it. It's a great way to detoxify the body and at the same time relieve yourself from water retention and bloating. This tiny herb helps you flush that urinary system and helps you ease off that strain on your kidneys. Number 5, keeps your heart healthy. So far, parsley has been found to be good for the kidneys, liver, and bone function. But there's another organ that's benefited from the parsley consumption you can have daily, and that's the heart. This plant contains a substantial amount of folate and B vitamins that are all involved in normal cell replication, but most importantly, they help fight off cardiovascular disease. You see, there's a naturally occurring amino acid in the body called homocysteine. Homocysteine damages the blood vessels once it reaches a high concentration in the blood, and folic acid found in parsley reduces homocysteine and prevents that negative repercussions on your heart. In the long run, folate reduces the probability of suffering a heart attack or a stroke. Very useful. Number 6, prevents bad breath. Nobody likes to have a conversation with a person who has bad breath, and we've all been there. Parsley is well known for reducing bad breath with great efficacy. Make it a habit to integrate parsley into your meals. This plant has antibacterial properties that inhibit the development of bacteria that promote bad breath in our mouths. If you have bad breath, try to munch on parsley after every meal to freshen up your breath and your mouth. Eating parsley can help eliminate halitosis, body odor, and treat excessive flatulence as well. Number 7, fights arthritis. Parsley can also be used to combat joint conditions tied to inflammation, and arthritis is one of them. Parsley's flavonoid, especially lutein, has been found to work as an antioxidant that prevents oxygen-based free radicals that damage our cells. In one study, vitamin C-rich foods such as parsley provided humans with protection against inflammatory polyarthritis and a form of rheumatoid arthritis involving 2 or more joints. This research was presented in the Annals of Rheumatic Diseases, where more than 20,000 participants that kept their diet dairies were seen to feel a lot better with parsley consumption on a daily basis. These people were less likely to develop arthritis than those who did not consume a higher amount of vitamin C-rich foods like parsley. So if you suffer from any inflammatory joint condition like arthritis or polyarthritis, be sure to include some parsley in your daily meals. Number 8, boost your immune function. Parsley is a green vegetable, and as most green vegetables have, they're packed with magnesium, potassium, but on top of this, parsley is filled with vitamin K and vitamin C, 2 very important vitamins that boost the immune function. As I mentioned before, vitamin K promotes bone health, and the incredible amounts of vitamin C serves as an excellent immune system booster also. It's already general knowledge that vitamin C plays an important role in preventing common diseases such as colds, influenza, and more, but parsley is also a good source of beta-carotene, an antioxidant that helps protect the body from free radicals that accelerate the aging process. So if you can, try to prepare yourself some parsley on a daily basis. You can have it by adding it to your meals, juicing on it, or preparing yourself some parsley tea. Number 9, helps with eyesight. Parsley is great for vision and eyesight also. Eating parsley regularly helps you make sure that the body is getting the enough vitamins and nutrients you need to develop a good vision and definitely see better than before. Parsley helps stimulate those tiny blood vessels surrounding the eyes, and one of the reasons for this is that it contains a good amount of beta-carotene, which is excellent for the eyes. This is also recommended for people who are struggling to keep their blood sugar levels balanced, such as those with diabetes, which, by the way, is the #1 cause of retinopathy in the world. Help out the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, leave your comments down below and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or an online appointment, visit drlandivar.com. And I suggest you check out these other videos related to this topic. You're going to find valuable information that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.